Baking soda and vinegar, when combined, create a fizzing reaction that gets rid of pests, acting as a natural repellent. Also, these two ingredients are cost-effective, eco-friendly, and often more effective than chemical pesticides. In this video, we will explore the best ways to use these household staples to get rid of the most common house and garden pests. 1. Cockroaches. Baking soda is a common household item, but what you may not realize is that it can also be used to kill cockroaches. You should begin by filling a small container with water and another bowl with equal parts baking soda and sugar. Then you place both of these close to the location where roaches are hanging out and wait for it to work its magic. Once roaches consume the mixture along with water, it'll kill them from the inside out. This is an affordable and easy home remedy to try out and see cockroaches begin to drop one by one. Using vinegar as a cleaner for your floors and countertops is another good option for deterring roaches, as it can sanitize the area. It's also very important that you remove water and food sources, since these are the main attractions for cockroaches. Vinegar has the capabilities of killing cockroaches, but it needs to be used in high quantities. The solution is naturally antibacterial that can be used to spray inside bathrooms where cockroaches are known to hide for water and moisture. 2. Ants. Vinegar and baking soda is great for getting rid of bugs, especially ants. All you need to do is simply sprinkle baking soda directly on an ant nest, then spray with white vinegar. This will cause a foam-like reaction to help kill the nest. The acidic acid in the vinegar will treat a wide range of garden and common houseplant pests, but it does require it comes into contact with the insect. 3. Drain flies. Combining boiling water, vinegar, and baking soda will kill drain flies, but will also help remove all the flies' breeding ground, which includes hair, grime, and grease. It'll create a chemical reaction and clear blockages caused by organic matter in the drain pipe. To use this remedy, boil some water and pour it down the drain where you've noticed the flies. Then pour half a cup of baking soda down the sink as well, followed by a half a cup of white vinegar. Let it settle for a few minutes, then pour some more boiling water down the drain. Follow these steps every few days until the drain flies have completely disappeared. 4. Weeds. Gardeners often have to tackle the everyday task of disposing of weeds in their gardens. While commercial herbicides offer quick fixes, they come with environmental concerns. Vinegar is a sustainable homemade weed control solution in urban areas. For better results, combine it with baking soda, salt, or lemon juice. So to make this weed remedy, mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts white vinegar and add some lemon juice if desired into a spray bottle. This solution is ideal for young weeds or those in paved regions. Next, just simply spray it on your weeds. This remedy is a brilliant budget-friendly option, although it does come with a strong odor. 5. Rats and mice. When rodents eat baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, it reacts with their stomach acid to foam up and release carbon dioxide gas, which has nowhere to go because they can't burp. That's how it works to get rid of them. Since rats and mice won't eat baking soda on their own, we need to mix it with other ingredients that are appealing to them. Rats and mice love chocolate, and that includes chocolate cake, but there's no need to bake them a cake. Just mix equal parts of chocolate cake mix and baking soda, and they'll be just as happy to eat that too. So you're going to need chocolate cake mix or chocolate brownie mix and baking soda. You're also going to need a disposable shallow bowl. This can be made by cutting the bottom section from a plastic soft drink bottle, milk carton, or yogurt container, or you can use a deep plastic jar lid. To make this chocolate cake mix rodent bait, pour equal parts chocolate cake mix and baking soda into a shallow container and mix it well. A few heaped teaspoons of each will make enough bait. The mix can be used dry if a source of water is provided. Just fill another similar shallow bowl with water. This is necessary as rats and mice need to drink water if their food is dry. To use the mix in a form that's wet, add a small amount of water at a time, not all at once, and mix well, and keep adding more water until it turns into a thick paste. Place the shallow bowl with the bait along walls or between spaces where rats frequent. Leave the bait in the same location for a few days, as rats are shy and may inspect the bait but not eat it until it feels safe to do so. Once they eat the bait, the mice or rats will scamper off and die. As regards vinegar, white vinegar is a powerful substance that has a powerful smell. Mice and rats have a sensitive sense of smell, so the vinegar will repel them. Spraying vinegar in areas where mice enter your home can keep them from coming inside. Therefore, applying the solution to door frames, counters, floors, crevices, cracks, and other entry points is effective. You can apply vinegar in 2 ways. Soaking cotton balls in vinegar and dispersing them throughout the house will work well in situations where you need precision. For widespread campaigns, it's best to use a vinegar spray bottle or a sponge that's been soaked in vinegar to cover large areas. 6. Bed bugs. Distilled white vinegar can kill bed bugs, usually within a few minutes. Acetic acid is the chemical compound in vinegar responsible for its pungent odor and cleaning power, but it also works to kill bed bugs. When bed bugs come in contact with the acetic acid in the vinegar, it disrupts their nervous systems, which will kill them. Although vinegar can kill bed bugs, it has limitations. Vinegar is a contact treatment and won't affect bed bugs it doesn't touch. Strong vinegar can be hazardous if mishandled, so wear eye, skin, and respiratory protection. Vinegar's a temporary fix, but it won't kill bed bug eggs or eliminate an infestation. You'll need distilled white vinegar with at least 5% acidity for the best results. You can usually find this at your local grocery store. Use a spray bottle to get the solution into where the bed bugs are camping out. You have a few options on how to make the solution. Use straight vinegar if you can deal with the smell. Ensure good ventilation and do not mix the vinegar with other chemicals like bleach or a cleaning agent to avoid chemical reactions. A 50-50 solution of water and vinegar is still effective, but may need extra passes to kill the bugs. Essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil can be added to the spray bottle to help with the vinegar smell. A few drops are all you need. As regards baking soda, it can dehydrate the bugs and cause them to die, making it an easy DIY method. The small granules of baking soda can also cause internal bleeding due to the fact that they can cut into a bed bug shell. You can use it by sprinkling baking soda around the key hotspot areas bed bugs typically inhabit, such as the mattress and around the bed. After a few days, you need to vacuum it up and repeat the process. However, it's important to remember that baking soda or vinegar may not get rid of a bed bug infestation completely. 7. Tree roots. Similar to weeds, tree roots are sneaky. They often creep into foundations and underground pipes undetected, causing a multitude of problems along the way. It's essential to take action immediately when you suspect root intrusion to prevent further damage or destruction. One effective method for killing off tree roots is using baking soda and vinegar. This is an inexpensive yet highly effective combination. Before applying baking soda and vinegar, dig around the roots of the offending tree. Use your spade or shovel to loosen up the surrounding soil as much as possible. Now that you've prepared the area, it's time to apply the baking soda and vinegar. Coat the roots generously with baking soda to cover all surfaces. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar when you apply it later, providing full coverage to the roots and the surrounding soil. Then take 1 gallon of vinegar. Pour this over the baking soda, allowing it to reach all areas of the roots. Pour it evenly and slowly as you want to ensure you cover all the roots with vinegar. At this point, you're going to notice a fizzing chemical reaction. Let the solution work its magic. Patience is key when using baking soda and vinegar to kill tree roots. It may take a month or more before the mix has an effect, so don't expect quick results. That said, if you're dealing with stubborn or large roots, it may take several applications over time before they're completely destroyed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests using Dawn dish soap. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.